Lesson 3. Feelings. Lesson 4. Shapes and colors. I feel safe. I feel safe. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. I feel safe. I feel safe. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. I feel safe. I feel safe. I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. He feels safe. He feels safe. He doesn't feel safe. He doesn't feel safe. She feels safe. She feels safe. She doesn't feel safe. She doesn't feel safe. Shapes. Shapes. It's a circle. It's a circle. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. It's a square. It's a square. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a heart. It's a heart. It's a star. It's a star. Colors. Colors. It's purple. It's purple. It's blue. It's blue. It's green. It's green. It's yellow. It's yellow. It's red. It's red. It's orange. It's orange. Let's practice. It's a blue circle. It's a blue circle. It's a green triangle. It's a green triangle. It's an orange square. It's an orange square. It's a purple rectangle. It's a purple rectangle. It's a red heart. It's a red heart. It's a yellow star. It's a yellow star.